Introducing the Tohnichi DOTE100N3-MD torque tester with motor drive, the ultimate solution for precise and efficient torque measurement. Engineered by Tohnichi, this state-of-the-art torque tester combines advanced technology with user-friendly features to revolutionize your quality control processes. Featuring exceptional accuracy, the DOTE100N3-MD delivers reliable and precise torque measurements, meeting the most stringent quality standards. Its motorized operation ensures consistent and efficient testing, reducing operator fatigue and improving productivity. The large, easy-to-read digital display provides clear and accurate torque readings, minimizing errors and enhancing user experience. With multiple measurement modes, including peak, real-time, and preset torque, the DOTE100N3-MD offers versatile testing capabilities. Data output capabilities allow users to transfer test results to a PC or printer for further analysis and documentation. The torque tester's compact design and lightweight construction make it portable and convenient to use in various settings. Invest in the Tohnichi DOTE100N3-MD torque tester with motor drive and experience the ultimate in precision, efficiency, and reliability. Elevate your quality control processes to new heights with this advanced torque testing solution.